Hello. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the potting soil that I'm going to be using because I know people are going to be asking me. So I figure this video is coming up first. So and I'm not being sponsored. It's just this is what I was able to find in my area. So I got just regular old potting soil. Kind of doing a good amount of this. This is going to be the main part of it. Then I'm going to be adding some extra perlite to it. Why? Because I was told to. Gonna mix that up. I have one more that I'm gonna be adding. So I want to get this all nicely mixed. Break up any big hunks. Now I also have some orchid mix that I'm adding in because it has a lot of, you know, the sticks and tree bark and stuff like that that will act as fertilizer for the houseplants. So they won't need to be fed all winter. They'll be being fed. Now I know in the wintertime you're not supposed to feed your houseplants, but it's just I was given all these houseplants and they really need love and attention and care. Like if I would have been thinking about it, I could have started recording these plants as soon as I got them. Then you could see start to finish how to bring a plant back to life when you think it's dead. I'll be doing that with a cactus because I have a cactus that it looks dead, but I'm going to try and salvage it. But honestly, I more tend to think towards just getting the plants and getting them healthy again, not even thinking about recording them. But, c'est la vie. Okay, so that is going to be the potting soil I'm going to use for the next few plants that you're going to be seeing. Lots of nutrients in here for the plants. They'll all be happy and they'll all love it. Alright, so I hope that was helpful. And I will see you for the next one.